When a member of the public walks into any courtroom in our state, there are certain things that are expected. Civility, fairness, understanding, respect, order, and the even-handed administration of justice. But the evidence in this case will show that when a person, any person, walked into Judge Stokes' courtroom, 15C, in the Cleveland Municipal Court, they walked into a different universe where rudeness, impatience, judicial incompetence, disrespect, and disorder ruled the day. Judge Angela Stokes' reign of terror has had a profound and lasting impact on the administration of justice for far, far too long. And that is why we are here today. The evidence will show that Judge Stokes' far-reaching abuse of power, coupled with a frightening inability to effectively administer her criminal docket, created such a toxic and stressful environment that it brought seasoned lawyers and employees to tears, forced every single department in the Cleveland Municipal Court to develop special rules to accommodate her tyrannical ways, and most importantly, left unsuspecting defendants, victims, witnesses, and spectators with absolutely no confidence in the integrity and impartiality of the judiciary in the state of Ohio. The evidence will show one of the most troubling aspects of respondents' behavior is her insensitivity to those who are less fortunate. Almost 90% of the folks working their way through municipal court are close to or under the poverty guidelines. These people are anxious and stressful about their situation before they even enter a courtroom. Yet when they step into respondents' courtroom for misdemeanor cases, such as driving under suspension, no driver's license, open container cases, DUIs, respondent often looks down at them from the bench, both literally and figuratively, often demeaning them and forcing them to endure hours of her inefficiency as she painfully prods through a docket going sometimes from 9 in the morning until 6, 7, or even 8 o'clock at night with no breaks.
Mr. Caligari has just given you what he considers to be his roadmap for what is going to be presented in this case and what you shall see. However, I anticipate that you will find that the architect of the roadmap is, for Judge, in this case against Judge Stokes, is actually Judge Ronald B. Adrian, the Cleveland Municipal Court's presiding and administrative judge. On July 3rd, 2011, Judge Adrian authored a memo to key persons of the Cleveland Municipal Court's administrative offices in which he attached summaries of alleged data that he had been secretly compiling against Judge Stokes and attached the 2004 Supreme Court case of Disciplinary Counsel versus O'Neill, and stated that in Judge Adrian's judgment, this serves as a roadmap for addressing the issue, i.e. going after Judge Stokes. Now, we are all aware that this is a case where Judge Stokes is the one that is on trial here, not Judge Adrian. However, we believe that you will find that Judge Adrian has engaged in tactics which necessitate closer scrutiny. The evidence will show that Judge Adrian recruited and rewarded a number of individuals willing to bear false witness against Judge Stokes. Moreover, Judge Adrian's underlying motivations appear to exceed his stated intent to cleanse the judicial system and heal the Cleveland Municipal Court. If it was only about making the Cleveland Municipal Court better, he would have approached Judge Stokes about items that he wanted her to change. Judge Adrian did not do that. Judge Adrian did not do that, and instead, he provided her no notice that he was pursuing this and no opportunity to correct any alleged wrongs in her ways. When asked about that, why he didn't provide Judge Stokes with an opportunity to address these issues, Judge Adrian will tell you, we anticipate, that he didn't think it would make a difference. Nevertheless, he never tried. If he really cared about the court, and that's what all he cared about, he would have tried.